One of the most common challenges we hear about over here at Cougar is stubborn tree sap that won't wash off. With the right chemical and the right technique, tree sap isn't the problem. Before you start working on the tree sap, you'll want to wash the car as you normally would with a high quality detergent like Mighty Suds. To tackle the tree sap stains, we'll be using our Formula 109 Clean All and a Speedy Prep Surface Clay Towel. We'll mix the Formula 109 at a 4-to-1 ratio, which is just 8 ounces of concentrate in the quart bottle, and then just fill the rest of the bottle up with water. Liberally spray the solution onto the car one section at a time while the car is still wet. Just do a light pass with the prep towel to lift the tree sap off the paint. No pressure is needed, just a very light scrub. The stains will lift to the surface with very little effort. Between each body panel, you'll want to rinse out the clay towel with soapy water and rinse the car down with water. This process is going to strip any wax that you had on the car, so now is a good time to follow up with a good coat of Aqua Glow wax to protect the paint.